don't love herself either. Oh, what a shame. Let's all hurt, let's kick dirt. Whoa, came up out the window, yeah, I just jumped off the plane. Climbing up this mountain, I swear I feel no pain. So I made it to the top, I seen Kurt Cobain. She left me for dead, all I see is dread. So I'm a lost soul, I don't give a fuck. She throwing bows, I dip it like Doug. She got the flow, revel the rush. I don't really care, I don't give a fuck. Heart full of death, I clash with my luck. Now I'm living black heart star. To the next chapter, to the next page. And all I can say, my heart hurts, my heart hurts. My pain's worse, my pain's worse. My heart hurts, my heart hurts. My pain's worse, my pain's worse. Yeah. So I'll just see her tomorrow. Yeah, I'll just see her tomorrow. Go ahead, drown in my sorrows. Yeah, I'll just drown in my sorrows. You got a heart I can borrow. You got a heart I can borrow. My heart hurts, my pain's worse. So I'll just see her tomorrow. Yeah, I'll just see her tomorrow.
J'ai déraillé, j'ai déraillé, j'ai déraillé. Oh non! Mais putain! Ça casse les couilles! Putain!
Hey, young is a rookie, but flowing way better than veterans do. They question the truth, maybe that's why they ain't questioning you. Hey, the S who my favorite rapper is. This my reflection, my dude. Ego so big, feels like I'm owning like every building I'm stepping into. Legends exist, I am excellent proof. Don't think I'm getting ahead of myself. It's hard to trust women, cause this girl just got a phone call from her man while they're headed my belt, ahead of the rest. Y'all at the party, I'm thinking of ways to invest in myself. Family first, everything other than that, man, you know will come second to wealth. Cause I want the clout. With me, I just don't suggest it. All eyes on me when I'm making the entrance. She think I love her, I have a confession. Tell her the truth, on to the next one. Life is a dream until you start to live it. Self-lose your praise, man.
Oh merde! Oh merde! Ça va? T'as malade? Oh merde! Oh, j'avoue que t'étais mort là. J'ai vu l'arbre qui arrivait, je fais ma mère.
Stuck in my own bed, trapped in these cardboard walls. I see all these faces, and they don't see me at all. I miss the old days, where time didn't disappear. We talked about our future, and how we get out of
Sick
here.
of feeling like I'm dead, sick of fighting my eyelids, sick of hearing these sirens. All I want is some silence. Shh. If I'm the life of the party, why do I stay home? Why do I stay home? If everyone says they love me, why do I feel alone? As dead as my phone. I don't wanna lie, don't wanna lie, don't wanna lie here in this hell. I don't wanna try, don't wanna try, don't wanna try all by myself.
Vas-y.
I want the cloud. Hey, young is a rookie, but flowing way better than veterans do. They question the truth, maybe that's why they ain't questioning you. Hey, they ask who my favorite rapper is. This my reflection, my dude? Yeah. Ego so big, feels like I'm owning like every building I'm stepping into. Legends exist, I am excellent proof. Don't think I'm getting ahead of myself. It's hard to trust women, cause this girl just got a phone call from her man while they're headed.